Welcome back. Now that we had the opportunity to cover our bases to provide you with an understanding on what business, entrepreneurship, and social entrepreneurship and the importance of integrating both, let's get back to talking about business, because on both types of entrepreneurship, the foundation is creating and developing and growing a profitable business. So to continue with this series, I want to take time in this video to talk about how to make your business real. A lot of people believe you need a ton of huge investments and resources to start a business, but that's not the case. The business you begin does not have to be perfect with all the kinks worked out either. In most cases, the simplest thing necessary to start a business is a proof of concept, a prototype, or what many people call a minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP is an early stage tangible version of what you're proposing to offer, presented in a way that demonstrates its value to the customers you intend to serve. With your MVP, customers have the opportunity to understand what you have to offer, how it provides benefit to them, and how you intend to solve the problems that they're experiencing. By creating a version of your prototype that best resembles your final form, you can begin to acquire data in the form of feedback and information from your potential customers. And with that data, you can use it to help make your MVP better and to further identify the things you need to change or enhance to provide increased value to your customer. Now that you understand what an MVP is, let's take some time to identify what you need to develop a prototype or a minimum viable product. Like we mentioned, an MVP is the smallest thing that you can build that will demonstrate the value you intend to create within the market and what you have promised to deliver to your end customer. The focus of your MVP is to demonstrate your value in a tangible form. Nowhere in that definition, though, states how much of that offering has to be real. As long as you're able to demonstrate the approach in which you intend to deliver value, you can then use your MVP to begin attracting your first few customers to verify if what you have to provide actually solves the problems that they need you to solve. So, with the data collected from your original versions of your MVP, you can now begin to understand which things people really use. The MVP provides you valuable information that allows you the ability to enhance and refine your value and the value creation and delivery process before making any huge investments. This is important because, as mentioned, a lot of people believe you need a lot of investments, you need a lot of money, you need a lot of resources to start a business. And what happens is they get all of these resources, and because they don't understand how to truly develop value, because they didn't focus on the minimum viable product, they end up losing a lot at those monies and those resources early on. And we're here to help prevent that from happening to you. So before making any huge investments into your business, you want to first identify an MVP that you can collect data with and begin to enhance and refine. In addition, with the development of an MVP, it allows you and your team to begin to understand what type of business structure you need to begin creating. It helps you understand the types of resources you would need to begin to collect and utilize to obtain the maximum amount of value that you can provide to your potential customers. So, for those starting a new business, your core focus in this stage should be to incrementally develop better and better versions of your MVP. No experience is necessary to be an entrepreneur, and for most cases, no experience is necessary to develop an MVP. If, however, you start with your passions and skills and begin to build from there, the most beneficial thing you can do for yourself is through that pathway, utilizing your MVP to help you build a more successful and efficient value exchange experience. I do want to caution you though, as you start your business, you should be learning by trial and error. That's the purpose of the MVP. You use those experiences to seek better ways to ask questions and to help you make more data-driven business decisions. If you utilize the things that you learned through your experiences to develop a viable, scalable model of your MVP, it will help support positive growth of your business, help you deliver increased value to your end customers, and advance you and your team toward your ultimate business goals.